Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can convert absolutely any photo into portrait mode on your iPhone. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, in order to take a photo in portrait mode, you'll need to open the camera on your phone, put it in selfies mode, and then you'll see that you've got a portrait section here under video photo. Maybe if you have a newer model of iPhone, not like me, I have it's a Model 10. If you have a different model or a newer model, then right away the portrait mode may not be in the camera. Then you'll need to go into your phone settings. Scroll to the bottom to find the camera, open it up. And right there at the bottom you'll have the portrait mode on the photo, which you'll just need to activate like all the other modes. Once you've done that, you'll have it on your phone, on your camera. You will be able to easily take a photo in portrait mode. What does that mode do? That will be behind your face in selfies, it blurs. I'm going to show you a picture of what that looks like, and also how you can deepen or minimize this blur in the photo. So when you take a photo, you can then go to the gallery, open up your selfies, and as you can see behind your face, the background is blurred. And what else can you do with that photo? If you click on Edit at the top, you'll see at the bottom, there's the words portrait, and you can either increase the blur behind your face or decrease it. After that, you can leave the photo as you want it. But keep in mind that all the background will be blurred except your face. That is, your portrait, your face will be clear, and everything else will not. And in order to save the changes to the photo, you'll have to click Done. And that's it, the changes will be saved immediately. That's how you can convert any photo to portrait mode, just by going into your camera, taking a photo to that mode, and adjusting the depth of blur. I hope this video was helpful to you. You have understood how you can take a photo in portrait mode on your iPhone. Don't forget to put your likes, also write comments. See you soon.